In Pavlov's initial experiment with the dogs, food was considered the unconditional stimulus, or US. This is because the dog did not have to be in the experiment to desire food and drool because of it. The dog's drooling as a response to the food was known as the unconditional response, or the UR. The ringing bell in this experiment was the conditional stimulus, as the dog had no natural response. The eventual response of the dog drooling to the bell is known as the conditional response. Although these terms are confusing, they are necessary to the description of further experiments. With Pavlov's experiment, two theories of learning emerged. Americans took the view that the dog learned to associate the bell with salivation. This was SR learning. Pavlov, however, took the view that the ringing bell had become a substitute for food in controlling the drooling reflex. This is known as the stimulus substitution theory. Researchers that followed agreed with Pavlov. Animals learn through SS learning. Second-order conditioning is when one conditional stimulus has been conditioned fairly well. The CS can become a US and support new conditioning. Basically, it means that the ringing of the bell can elicit salivation, and then the ringing of the bell can be associated with a light, which will elicit the same salivating. Sensory preconditioning is when two conditional stimuli are paired and one is separately associated with the US. It results in both eliciting the CR. So, this means that a tone and a light are paired. The tone is then paired with food. When the animal is shown the light, not the tone that was paired with the food, the animal will drool. Conditioned emotional response is when a rat is conditioned to press a bar for a pellet, and then, after it is conditioned, a light or noise is presented, which is paired with a brief shock. After the CS is presented several times, the rat will stop pressing the lever. A suppression rate ratio is about the bar press rate. When the rate is 0.5, it means the CS does not change the bar press rate. When it is 0, it means that the CS is more and more effective at suppressing the bar pressing rate.